Okay, and we continue to discuss about the strategic fits. What is strategic fit? Strategic fits is one strategy in the strategy development. In the strategy development, we develop it to fit the market. It is the strategic fit. During the second phase of the strategy planning process, the organization consider where it want to go, its vision, and what it knows about itself and its environment. Results of environmental scanning. We already knows about the strategic planning process. The first one is strategic formulation. We already discussed on that, and everyone's already understands of the strategic formulation. And number two is strategy development. In the strategy development, they have another things is the strategy fit. The strategy fit is about setting the key competitors in the market to understand that it fits in the market or not. Okay, and its self and its environments results of environmental scannings. Then the develop options for how to get there. How to get there? If we previously discussed how to get there by using their human resource, by using their skill, their technology to compete in the market to get a competitive advantage. And the option themselves must be analyzed to determine their potential for delivering the desired performance. Yes, the desired performance refers to what to do the best in the market. The same company have the same result, have this. The same company have a different results because why? It is the performance and how to use the performance because of resource, because of financial resource, because of human resource, because of technology, because of their innovation, because of the creative idea from the top management or creative idea from or the college or the teams in their organization. When they have a lot of strong people in the organization, that organization will have a lot of competitive advantage in the market. The associate risk, yes, we also minimize the risk. Why? It's like we were using the same products. One company have a lot of skills people, a lot of human resource, and also getting the technology is so important on the production of their daily performance. Thus, the risk is low because we create the products, we use the machine, we use the skills, so that things can be achieved, so can produce the results with low cost because they can do it faster. So use in the appropriated so the available time, so enough time to get this thing done. That is the risk. The other thing is reduce the same things, but they waste a lot of it. Sometimes the brokerage because of mistake, or sometimes because of the errors, because of the capacities of the employees not enough in producing it. It is a risk. It is a risk. And their requirement. The requirement is also we got to outline. We got to specs. If people don't understand how to do that, no way to achieve, no way to get the competitive advantage. The outcomes of these phases is a strategy or sets of strategies that have fit. All we discuss is talk about the strategic fits because the vision we already know, because the resource we already knows, we know how to get there. We know the option, the underlying potentials, and the desired performance, risk, and also requirements. So that's very good for the fit or the strategy fit. We also have something related to strategies which vary greatly but similar in each aspect. It's like we understand how an organization can create what Michael Porter calls a strategic position, where positions in which it enjoys a competitive edge over its rivals in the business strategy. Yes, Michael Porter has also discussed about a competitive advantage because of the competitive edge. It's as a enjoys a competitive edge. Why is it enjoy competitive edge in the business or in its rivals? Because it is a position of the company. The company know the position they are. They know, or in the market there's five companies in the market the same interest is always, but our companies have more competitive because we enjoy the competitive edge because we have everything like the resource, we have additions, and we knows how to get there and where and when to compete. It is a strategy. Whereas an organization will complete will compete in terms of markets and industry, in corporate strategy. This define the scopes of the organization. Yes, we see the corporate strategy. We know the organization will compete in terms of markets and industry. The same industry is like the construction company. We got We got the same industries with the company A and company B. We build the contraction and the resource and technologies AI can support it. The engineer is stronger. The engineer is stronger. The QA is stronger how to calculate the cost. Engineer is very strong as how to make the work progresses faster to meet the deadline. And human resources also know how to retain, how to hire the best fit people in the organization in order to complete that task faster with the competitive courses, with the strategy that can attract them. Yes, in terms of attract, we try to develop some brandings, we try to provide some benefits to the organization, to the employee. We are the human resource, we are the bridge and supporting the organization and also support the employee to the best to create it, to produce very good results on that. Another thing is the cost that we can save the cost by retaining a lot of employees to stay longer from year to years, like 85% of the years or 90% that we can retain the employees mean that the human resource support the organization in terms of minimizing the cost of the organization of the business. We got a lot of advantage in terms of this. It's also this are the business fit. So I hope everyone can learn something from this course and see you next time. See you next session, everyone. Okay, bye.